Last month, Lisa fixed her habits. This month, she almost quit her job, not because of the work, but because she said yes to everything, every meeting, every favor, every extra project. She was at her desk until 9 p.m. every night and still felt behind. When she showed me her calendar, it was wall-to-wall meetings, no breaks, no focus time, no lunch, zero time for herself. She wasn't busy because she had too much work. She was busy because she never protected her own time before others took it. The fix isn't a better calendar, it's a rule. You block your important time first before anyone else can claim it. Here's the weekly planner I built her. New page, weekly planner, shield icon, because this is about defense. The rule at the top, block your priorities. Sunday night, everything else fits around them, not through them. Lisa's mistake was leaving her calendar empty and letting other people fill it. And we flipped it. Now she fills the important blocks first, and meetings have to fit in what's left. One table for the week. Every block of time gets a purpose before the week starts. No empty space for other people to steal. 4 properties, day, Monday through Friday, time, morning, midday, afternoon, type. What kind of block? Deep work, meetings, admin, break, personal. And the most important one, protected, a checkbox. A protected block cannot be moved for anyone, not the boss, not a coworker, not a last-minute request. Protected means sacred. Monday morning, deep work on her main project. Type deep work and protected is checked. This is Lisa's most important block of the week, and it happens first thing Monday when her energy is highest. Before this system, Monday mornings got eaten by status meetings. Now the meetings happen in the afternoon and her best hours go to her real work. Monday afternoon, team meetings. Not protected because meetings are flexible, they can move. This is the key insight. Meetings fill the unprotected spaces. They no longer bulldoze through her focus time because her focus time is already claimed. Monday midday, lunch, and it's protected. Lisa used to eat at her desk during meetings. Now lunch is a real break, blocked and protected. Sounds small, but she told me protecting her lunch was the first time in a year she felt like she had control over her own day. Wednesday morning, another protected deep work block, this time for creative tasks. 2 protected deep work blocks a week is her minimum. Everything else, the meetings, the admin, the emails, fits around these 2 anchors. The anchors never move. See the pattern? The protected blocks go in first, deep work, lunch, personal time, then meetings and admin fill the gaps. Most people do the opposite. They let meetings fill everything and then wonder why they have no time to think. Board view by type. Now Lisa sees her week balanced. If the meetings column is huge and deep work is empty, she knows the week is going to burn her out before it starts. She can fix it Sunday night instead of surviving it Friday afternoon. Last piece, and this is what actually stopped her burnout, the no list. Every week, Lisa writes down what she said no to, an optional meeting that could be an email, a project outside her role, a quick call that's never quick. Writing down her no's made saying them easier. Every no protects a yes to something that matters. This list gave her permission to have boundaries. 3 weeks later, Lisa left the office at 5 p.m. for the first time in a year. Her deep work still got done. Better actually, because it happened during her peak hours. Her meetings shrank because half of them turned into emails once she stopped saying yes automatically. Same job, same workload, half the burnout. But then Lisa told me something I hear a lot. Adam, my work is under control now, but my money is a mess. I got a raise last year and somehow I have less savings than before. I don't know where it goes. I make good money and I'm still broke at the end of the month. That's the system I'm building her next, a money tracker that shows exactly where a good salary disappears. Next video, free template in the description. Protect your time before someone else takes it. Subscribe to see how Lisa found where her money was leaking, and tell me in the comments, what would you protect first in your week? Thanks for watching. See you next time.